From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update. Your weekend weather update is made possible by Caltrans District 2.
Hey folks, good afternoon. Hope you've been doing well so far. Sure enough, check this out. We got that bullseye over southeastern portions of the North State. We're talking, portions of Butte County, Tehama County, Lassen and Plumas County, right, as that system continues to push south and east. But notice up towards Modoc County, Siskiyou County, really west of I-5, out towards the Trinity Alps on the coast, you're seeing a lot less cloud cover there. That's what I was talking about this morning. And yesterday, that clearing trend, right, and the warming trend will continue over the next couple of days. Today is kind of the beginning of it in earnest, right? We're not seeing huge trends upwards just yet, but we still do see those mid-60s in the valley out to Trinity County, eastern Humboldt County, a little further inland. Along the coast, we got those mid-50s, and you're still pretty suppressed as far as temperatures are concerned east of the valley, out towards the eastern mountains, and really out towards Susanville as well, the 395 corridor. So that's kind of the trend we've been seeing, but we'll continue to dry out over the next few days. Notice this stuff fades out in the first half of the week, and by midweek, we're doing good, man. I'll tell you what, Wednesday, Thursday look nice. We're going to be toasty out there, upper 80s, even some 90s creeping in. Yeah, I could easily see that happening. But listen, I'll tell you what, that's going to be a temporary trend. Friday, the end of the week, towards the weekend, well, we get a little more unsettled. Watch this. So Thursday, again, looks just fantastic. Not so much so as we head towards Friday. I'm talking in terms of outdoor conditions and into Saturday. So we see that cool, unsettled air move back in. That's why we start seeing these snow levels drop. I'm starting to suspect when all is said and done, we'll probably see those snow levels drop to about 5,500 feet. So we might even see some more winter weather advisories like we've been seeing popping up out there. Of course, we don't issue those. Weather Service does. Just kind of want to put that on your radar. Still some scattered rain showers and snow showers through Saturday. I suspect them to start moving out of here by Sunday. So a good couple of days stretch of more unsettled weather coming in between the pretty nice pattern that we're holding for the rest of the week, right? So it's going to be the second half of Thursday and Friday and that next weekend that we're watching for that unsettled weather. Notice a trend downwards as far as temperatures are concerned. I'll tell you what, that trend is really more pronounced a little further inland out towards Trinity County as well. You really see those upper 70s and mid 80s coming back into the midweek. I was talking about this morning and also yesterday, so if you watch then you know what I'm about to say. Wednesday and Thursday, they're about to be our warmest days. So I'm suspecting Thursday to be the warmest of the two, but the midweek time frame as a whole, those are the days to watch for the beautiful outdoor conditions as a whole. So that's going to be the warm spot. Mount Shasta City, Alturas and Modoc County, and out towards the eastern mountains. Pretty nice stretch of week here. We do have a little bit of an impulse Tuesday, by the way. You might notice it for that cloud cover out there, but in the far northeastern portions of the area, it might scrape us by with a couple stray sprinkles. Don't expect that to be any sort of issue. Don't plan your day around it. By all means, the rest of the week looks nice for those outdoor conditions. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder by Friday as the first initial batch of instability kind of cooperates with that system, but I don't expect much of us to see that. I still do think a few of us will see rumbles of thunder though, so we'll keep that in mind here. Rest of us are just going to be having showers. And of course out in the eastern mountains today, we still have some of those showers, but they'll be out of here by tomorrow. Notice that 10 to 15 degree trend upwards as far as temperatures are concerned by the next couple of days, right? I mean, that's pretty nice. So we'll be seeing those upper 80s, even near 90 by the midweek in the valley. It wouldn't shock me in the slightest as we head through Wednesday and Thursday in some of the portions of the valley to maybe see 89, 90 degrees out there. So we'll have to keep that in mind there. That much is for sure. Really kind of unseasonably warm in that sense, but we are heading into May, so I guess this is about that time we start to warm up, right? Friday, Saturday, we have that chance of showers here, even in the valley. Yes, I do think that's possible, though we will have less totals as a whole. So there's your 7-day forecast here for the valley from the Weather NorCal Command Center. I'll be back with you at 6 for a final look at your forecast, and I'll speak to you then.